Greetings! In today's session, we'll explore how to craft an Excel chart to compare actual versus target sales across different regions. Additionally, we'll emphasize the region with the highest sales in our chart. Let's dive in. First, make sure your data is arranged in a table format with columns for region, target, and actual sales. Now, let's create our chart. Highlight the data range, including region, target, and actual sales. Navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon, click on Recommended Charts, and select the Clustered Column Chart option. The chart may initially appear complex, so let's simplify it. Remove the Y-axis content and add a chart title, such as Regional-Wise Sales Comparison. Next, change the chart type for the target sales series by going to Chart Design and selecting Scatter Chart. Then uncheck the Secondary Axis option and click OK. To modify the marker for target sales, select the series, go to the Format menu, and choose Format Selection. In the Format pane, select the Marker option and change it to a dash marker, using a light color for better visibility. Now, let's add a helper column to highlight the maximum value in the chart. Use the Excel if function to return the maximum value from actual sales, otherwise returning an NA value. Copy the formula down. To add this series to the chart, right-click on the chart area and choose Select Data, then add the helper column data. The chart will initially appear as a scatter chart, so change it to a column chart and adjust the color to green. Finally, set the overlap to 100%. We're almost done. Let's add data labels to the chart. Whenever the sales amount changes, the chart will automatically highlight the region with the maximum sales. Hide the helper column data by changing the font color. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in creating Excel charts for regional sales comparisons. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.